Hello, and welcome back to English Mood Podcast. I'm Nora, and today is day 7 of our 10-day English shadowing challenge. Have you ever traveled somewhere and suddenly forgotten how to ask for directions or buy a ticket in English? If yes, today's lesson is for you. We'll practice a real travel story together. Remember, listen carefully. Repeat every sentence twice, and try to copy my pronunciation and rhythm. Alright, let's begin. Last weekend, I decided to visit my friend Emily. Last weekend, I decided to visit my friend Emily. She had recently moved to another city. She had recently moved to another city. I packed a small backpack. I packed a small backpack. Then I walked to the train station. Then I walked to the train station. The station was already busy. The station was already busy. People were carrying suitcases. People were carrying suitcases. Some were saying goodbye. Some were saying goodbye. Others were rushing to catch their trains. Others were rushing to catch their trains. I looked at the departure board. I looked at the departure board. But I couldn't find my train. But I couldn't find my train. I looked again. I looked again. Still nothing. Still nothing. Then I walked to the information desk. Then I walked to the information desk. Excuse me. Excuse me. Can you help me? Can you help me? Of course. Of course. I'm looking for platform 8. I'm looking for platform 8. The woman smiled. The woman smiled. Go straight. Go straight. Then turn left. Then turn left. You'll see it. You'll see it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I followed her directions. I followed her directions. A minute later. A minute later. I found platform 8. I found platform 8. Now I needed a ticket. Now I needed a ticket. I walked to the ticket machine. I walked to the ticket machine. The screen showed many options. The screen showed many options. I wasn't sure what to choose. I wasn't sure what to choose. A young man noticed me. A young man noticed me. Do you need help? Do you need help? Yes, please. Yes, please. I'm going to Green Hill. I'm going to Green Hill. You need a one-way ticket. You need a one-way ticket. It's $15. It's $15. Thank you. Thank you. I paid with my card. I paid with my card. The machine printed my ticket. The machine printed my ticket. Everything was ready. Everything was ready. Excellent. Now it's time to get on the train. But the journey is just beginning. The train arrived a few minutes later. The train arrived a few minutes later. The doors opened slowly. The doors opened slowly. People got off first. People got off first. Then I got on the train. Then I got on the train. I looked for my seat. I looked for my seat. But someone was sitting there. But someone was sitting there. I smiled politely. I smiled politely. Excuse me. Excuse me. I think this is my seat. I think this is my seat. The man checked his ticket. The man checked his ticket. Oh, you're right. Oh, you're right. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No problem. No problem. He stood up. He stood up. I thanked him. I thanked him. Then I sat by the window. Then I sat by the window. A few minutes later. A few minutes later. The train started moving. The train started moving. The city slowly disappeared behind us. The city slowly disappeared behind us. The view was beautiful. The view was beautiful. Green fields stretched across the countryside. Green fields stretched across the countryside. I relaxed and enjoyed the trip. I relaxed and enjoyed the trip. Suddenly. Suddenly. I checked my backpack. I checked my backpack. Nothing. Nothing. For a second. For a second. I started to panic. I started to panic. Then I remembered. Then I remembered. I had put it inside my passport. I had put it inside my passport. I opened my passport. I opened my passport. There it is. There it is. The inspector smiled. The inspector smiled. Thank you. Thank you. I laughed quietly. I laughed quietly. That was close. That was close. Excellent job. You made it through the train ride. Now, let's arrive at the destination. About an hour later. About an hour later. The train finally stopped. The train finally stopped. I got off the train. I got off the train. The station was much smaller than I expected. The station was much smaller than I expected. I looked around. I looked around. Everything felt new. Everything felt new. Outside the station. Outside the station. I saw a taxi waiting. I saw a taxi waiting. The driver smiled. The driver smiled. Where are you going? Where are you going? I showed him the address. I showed him the address. My friend lives here. My friend lives here. Sure. Sure. It'll only take 10 minutes. It'll only take 10 minutes. I got into the taxi. I got into the taxi. The driver was very friendly. The driver was very friendly. Is this your first time here? Is this your first time here? Yes. Yes. I'm visiting a friend. I'm visiting a friend. You're going to love this city. You're going to love this city. A few minutes later. A few minutes later. We're here. We're here. I paid the driver. I paid the driver. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day. Have a great day. You too. You too. I walked to the front door. I walked to the front door. Before I knocked. Before I knocked. The door opened. The door opened. Emily smiled. Emily smiled. I'm so happy you're here. I'm so happy you're here. I smiled back. I smiled back. It's great to see you again. It's great to see you again. She gave me a big hug. She gave me a big hug. At that moment. At that moment. I forgot all about the stressful journey. I forgot all about the stressful journey. Some trips are long. Some trips are long. Some trips are difficult. Some trips are difficult. But seeing the people you love. But seeing the people you love always makes the journey worth it. Always makes the journey worth it. Excellent work. Today you practiced real English for traveling, buying a ticket, asking for directions, and taking a taxi. Listen to today's story again tomorrow and shadow every sentence. The more you practice, the more natural your English will become. If you're enjoying this 10-day English shadowing challenge, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English Mood Podcast. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite way to travel? I'm Nora, and thank you for joining me today. I'll see you in day 8 of our 10-day English shadowing challenge.